In today's video, I bring to you amazingly easy exercises which will help you tone your hips, thighs and give you toned and slim legs. If you have wobbly thighs, now is the time to get rid of all the fat. And if you're the butt of all jokes, not anymore. These are the exercises which are going to actually come to your rescue. When I was really overweight, the only thing I used to have a fascination was about fitting into skinny size jeans and wanting to look nice and pretty, tall and beautiful, fitting into a skinny pair of jeans. But of course, at that time, it looked like a distant dream. But now I do have my favorite pair of skinny jeans which I often wear and often fit into very well, only because of these very exercises. Besides that, sitting in a chair wanting to fit in a chair when you're in a public place was even more embarrassing at times when I would try and fit in but wouldn't be able to. That was because of my big hip size. But eventually I started doing exercises on a daily basis in the comfort of my own home, just feeling comfortable, relaxed, taking every day as it comes and not jumping the gun. That's when I started achieving results. Taking small steps, be it clean eating or exercise, I would be consistent, and that was the key. And that's exactly what I bring to you. Easy, beginner-friendly exercises which you can do on a daily basis. I hope you found a bit of motivation in my story. Let's begin this very super easy, super fun workout. I'm going to show you some exercises which you have to do every day on a daily basis along with me. Let's begin. So before we begin the exercise, let's do a little warm-up, which is walk in the place wherever you're standing. Just try and lift your knees as high as you can and move your arms. Pretend you're walking but in a spot. Lift your leg as high as you can. Let's do it for a minute and then we'll move on to the main exercise. For the first exercise, you're gonna spread your legs about wider than your shoulder length, just this much. Point your both the toes outward and then go down in this position. I hope you're doing it along with me. We'll do it for a minute and then switch to the next exercise. Go as low as you can, all the more effective. Well done. For the next exercise, we're going to spread our legs even wider than before. Now we're going to turn to one side with your toe pointing backwards and this toe pointing straight ahead. You can either keep your hands like this or like this. Either way, suit yourself. You can feel a stretch all along your back, leg and this one. It's a very, very easy pose. Let's do 30 seconds of this before we switch the leg. Now let's do the other side. Pointing your left toe that way and the right toe straight ahead. This is an excellent toning exercise which will definitely help you tone your wobbly thighs and the entire leg, along with working on the hip area. Well done! This exercise again is 3-in-1. It's going to work on your leg and your hip area along with toning the entire leg region. It's super easy, super fun. Do it along with me and you're sure to see results. Stretch your leg all the way back, then take it up to your chest like this. Let's do 30 seconds each side. Well done. Let's do the other side now. Well done. The next exercise is again super easy. You have to lift up your arms like this at shoulder length. Lift your leg up, then take it sideways, and that's it. Just don't bend your knee. Let's do the next leg now. Well done. Now moving on to the last exercise, most effective, high knees. Let's do it together for at least a minute. Well done. Now do let me know in the comment section, out of all the exercises, which one was your favorite. I will wait for your comment eagerly and also always ready to answer all your queries. Do ask me in the comment section. If you have enjoyed today's video, do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.